So when we are installing SQL Server 2017 setup, you can see right here. So when all the steps are completed, then on the last step, the offline installation of Microsoft machine, it is stuck there and it says the setup was unable to contact the download server. So when you reach this stage, you can just click on this link to download the file. These will download the files which are needed for it to install. So just click on any of these links that are given right here. So I'm click on. So on the corner we can see that this file is downloading here. So the file has hopefully downloaded. Now we are going to paste this file in the SQL setup folder. So after reaching the folder and create a new folder. Now we should appropriately name the folder. Copy this name right here. Okay, so that's done. So copy this file that we just downloaded and return to the setup folder. Now paste the files in this folder that we just created. So this is a cabinet file, as you can see here. So this is just like a RAR file, it is compressed and stuff. So just extract these files. Oh shit man, ye kya hai? So as we just talked about it, it is a cabinet file, so it is a highly compressed file. So it is going to take a long time to extract all these files. So after the extraction is complete, just click on the browse button. And then you can choose the new folder that we just created, which is right here. So click on OK. What a freak, man. Man, I'm fed up. This is still not browsing. We can't go forward. The setup can't even download the server, download from the server. It cannot connect to the server. And even after that, we downloaded the file individually and we pasted it there. And then we extracted the big file. It took so much time to extract there. And even after that, it's still not going in the folder. Now there should be three questions arising in everyone's mind, obviously, that why all this freaking effort, why it is saying to do all this shit, and how to get rid of this shit. But whatever, we're still gonna overcome it by a very easy method. So let's just start the setup again. So we are going to run the setup again. Now after coming here, you can see that there is a new machine learning server in standalone installation. That it is a standalone installation. That means that it is not with the setup. And you can also see here that this is a standard version of SQL Server, the very basic version of SQL Server, which means that it does not consist of machine learning server and the R and Python and stuff. And that's why it couldn't install that, and that's why we had to download them from the browser. In spite of that, I just showed you that we tried to browse the folder, but it was not taking the folder, it was not accepting it. So there is just one choice that we have remaining to complete this setup, which is what I'm going to show you. Click on this, click on next, click on I accept it, click on next, click on next, click on next. Now here you can click on select all, and after that you have to untick this one, and the R and Python will automatically untick themselves. So these were the services which were being problematic and they were not installing because this is a standard version and we had to download them individually. So these are the standalone installations, and then you can click on next. Now there will be an error. Here it is. To get rid of it, let's get back. The Oracle JRE7. To get rid of that, we are also going to untick this one, the Polybase query. Then we can click on next. After this, you can click on next, next, add current user, and next, again add current user, and next, next, again add current user, and then again on next, 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 and well, after this it will be successfully installing. So we have done quite a things in this video. I told you how to install SQL Server, and then we saw how to get rid of the error of server machine learning which was not installing R and Python, and then I told you how to get rid of Oracle JRE7. So if you found this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get notified about more of these videos, and please comment down below because I really enjoy reading them. And once again guys, thanks for watching the video.